Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Audi A3 air vents. Many Audi A3 owners experience issues with their air vents, from broken louvers to reduced airflow. Often, these problems are simpler to resolve than you might think, requiring just a few basic tools and a bit of patience. We will cover common issues and help you decide if a quick fix or a full replacement is needed to restore your cabin's comfort. Before attempting any repairs, it is crucial to accurately diagnose the problem. Begin by visually inspecting the vent louvers for any obvious breaks or disconnections. Gently try to adjust the vent's direction and observe if the mechanism moves smoothly or if it feels stiff. Sometimes, a simple loose connection or a small piece of debris can hinder proper function, so a thorough check is your first step. For minor issues, you can often perform simple repairs yourself. A small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool can be very helpful for carefully prying open vent sections without causing damage. Look for dislodged louvers or small plastic clips that may have come undone. Gently reattach them. Many vent problems are resolved by simply realigning these small internal components, saving you time and money. If the internal mechanisms are severely damaged or multiple components are broken, a full vent unit replacement might be necessary. When purchasing a new vent, always opt for genuine Audi parts to ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting durability. To prevent future issues, regularly clean your vents with a soft brush to remove dust and debris. This simple maintenance can significantly extend the life of your air vents.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.